Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past. That's where these green line down here are coming from. But I mean, if you want to know what an uptrend looks like, I mean, look no further. This thing has been in an uptrend for not just a couple days, but really, the past several days. So certainly a lot of updates need to be made. What I'm going to do is just adjust these green lines up here. Sure, they still pertain down here. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So like I said, I'm just going to use these for the near term ones. So going into next week, the first level is what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? And that would be if the price can stay above 0054. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying if the price falls below 0054 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can actually manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be that previous breakout point right there at 005. So 0054, 005 are going to be the two near-term levels of support. But taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view, it's all about the purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So big picture-wise, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 0054, that'd be great. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because resistance levels don't matter for this one. Why do I mean they don't matter? Well, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, so as long as it just keeps on chipping away with these higher bases, you picture these as stair steps, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So when you have uptrends like this, just focus on building higher lows and you just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.